Hello, how to solve square root of n plus n equals 3, solving for a value of n that satisfies this equation. So I'll start by moving this over here. Square root of n equals 3 minus n. I take the squares of both part of this equation. This eliminate this. I have n here equals, the exponent here means I'm going to have 3 minus n times 3 minus n. So from here, I have n equals 3 times 3, that's 9, 3 times negative n, negative 3n, negative n times 3, negative 3n, negative n times negative n, plus n squared. Here you have n equals 9 minus 6n, plus n squared. I move n towards here, this becomes 0, equals 9 minus 6n, minus n plus n squared. From here you have 0 equals 9 minus 7n plus n squared. I rearrange this. I have n squared minus 7n plus 9 equals 0. Now I need to solve this quadratic equation to find the values of n. So let's solve this using the formula method. I have n equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2e. So right now, from this quadratic equation, I'm going to find the values of a, b, and c. A equals 1, which is the coefficient of n squared. B equals negative 7. And c equals 9. I will send them right here. I'll have n equals negative times negative 7 plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 7 to the power of 2, minus 4 times a, that is 1 times c, that is 9, divided by 2a. We have 2 times 1. So from here, I have n equals, this is 7, plus or minus square root of negative 7 power 2, this is 49, minus 4 times 1 for 4 times 9, this is 36, divided by 2. So from here, I have n equals 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 36, that is 13, so I have 13 here, divided by 2. So from here, I have n equals 7 plus root 13 divided by 2, or 7 minus root 13 divided by 2. So these are the two values for n. Now what we are going to do will be to check if the two values will satisfy the equation, or is it going to be only one value? We have n equals 7 plus root 13 divided by 2, or we have n equals 7 minus root 13 divided by 2. Now, and the question remains root n plus n equals 3. So we have root n plus n equals 3. This is square root of 7 plus root 13 divided by 2 plus 7 plus root 13 divided by 2 equals 3. Now, what we are going to do will be to find the square root of 13. So square root of 13 is approximately 3.606. So this is square root of 7 plus 3.606 approximately divided by 2 plus 7 plus 3.606, and this is divided by 2 equals 3. So if you add this, you have, this will be 10.606. So you have square root of 10.606 divided by 2 plus 10.606 divided by 2 equals 3. So this divides this, you have, this is square root of 10 divides 2, that is 5.606 divided 2, that is 303, plus this is 5.303. So you need to find the square root of this. But even if you don't even find the square root of this, it is obvious that this number here is greater than the 3 that we are comparing it to. So obviously, even if you don't find the square root of this, which will be greater than 2, so you add it to this, 5.3 is obviously going to be greater than 3. So this particular solution means that it is not correct. So this particular solution is wrong. This one here is wrong. So let's consider this other one here. 7 minus root 13 divided by 2. So we have root n plus n equals 3. Our n is, this is square root of 7 minus root 13 divided by 2 plus 7 minus root 13 divided by 2 equals 3. And from here, root 13 is 3.606. We have square root of 7 minus 3.606 divided by 2 plus 7 minus 3.606 divided by 2 equals 3. So 7 minus 3.606. So this will give us square root of 3.394 divided by 2 plus 3.394 divided by 2 equals 3. So from here, I'm going to divide this by 2. So if you divide this by 2, you are simply going to have 1.697. So this is square root of 1.697 plus 1.697 equals 3. So what we need to do is to take the square root of 1.697. So let's do that immediately. I have square root of 1.697, that is 1.302. So this is 1.303 approximately plus 1.697. This equals 3 plus 1.697. This is about approximately 3, because what you are getting here is 2.9996 and so forth. So if you approximately, you have 3, and this is approximately 3 here. So that means this particular solution here obviously satisfies the equation, guys. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.